items on. I forgot that I was doing with classic. Okay. So let's do this with classic items. I actually don't even know what any of the classic items are. Well, we got... Woo! We got a red item, though. What does this do? I don't get it. Oh, I can float? Oh, shit. I'm Artificer. Am I listening to a Naruto opening? Yes. Don't hate on me. For drops as I get. Get the bitch out of here. Alright, cool. Oh, there's the stone. They're the stone golems. Oh, we got another classic item. I don't know what this does, though. What does it do? More gold will drop? Okay. Oh my god, I'm the same when I play Risk and Rain. When I first started, shit, I needed to... Oh, so I know what all the items are. I'm playing with classic items. So I'm playing with items from Risk of Rain 1. And I don't know what the fuck those are. Risk of Rain 2 items, I know what they are. The other items, I'm like, yo, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm playing with a mod. Oh, ooh, yes! Okay, I mean, I didn't really need that, but hey, we got 2 red items. Didn't really want that one. Didn't know you can do that. What do you play on? I play on PC, so PC you can put mods on it. Console you can't, which kind of sucks, but hopefully you can at some point. Played this game literally less than 10 times. Oh, see, I have like 400 hours in this game, so... Psych! I play this game a lot. Oh! Another red item? What the fuck is it? Yo, this is the run. This is the run. This is the run. We got 3 red items off rip. Oh, listen, everyone that's in the chat, I got another question for y'all. I'm probably going to ask it a couple times during the stream as people trickle in. But what's your favorite fry? Like, out of fast foods? So, like, Wendy's, Burger King, Wendy's, Burger King, what's the other one? McDonald's, shit. Wendy's, Burger King, McDonald's, like, out of the famous fast food chains, like, what's your favorite fries? When there's a lot to spawn, you start glitching. Really? Damn. McDonald's, yo, fresh McDonald's fries do hit different. It has to be fresh though, cause those stale shoestring ass McDonald's fries, it don't do it for me. But fresh McDonald's fries, just creme de la creme. Popeyes fries? Popeyes has, oh yeah, Popeyes, the Cajun fries. Okay, okay. Have you had McDonald's? Have you had Burger King's new? I can't speak. Have you had KFC's new fries? Like not the wedges, but like their actual fries now. Their fries actually fucking slap. Probably McDonald's, but only if they're soft. Oh, I got you. Yeah. What is this? Okay, we'll try that later. I don't know what that is, but I kind of like my items, so I don't want to get rid of them. Do I use sauce with my Yo, another one? Another one? Okay. King, I'll use zesty sauce. The zesty sauce is pretty pog, too. You're getting lucky by a lot. Yeah, right? Now, this is just... This game loves me, I'm telling you. This game literally gives me all the red items. Every time. Every time I play this game, it gives me all the red items. And I'm never mad at it. Like, keep giving them to me. But this is just RNGesus. Can you fuck off, bro? End your whole career, fam. Alright. Almost killed him. Alright, all done. Whee! Oh, this is kind of funny. Are we almost done with this? We're only on 80%? Damn, I feel like I've been in this circle forever. I'm trying to get to the good stuff. Alright. Let me just jump around. Oh, okay, I'm done. Okay, cool. Let's see what y'all said. I swear I heard stuff. Bro, you're making me hungry again. Every time I join your stream, you're talking about food. That's what my stream is food. If we ain't talking about food, then what else are we gonna talk? Listen, I'll give you the... You tell me what we should talk about. I'll leave it up to you. Come up with a question. Just tell me a question. I never get the red items. What the fuck? You gotta join me in a game. Well, oh yeah, you don't play on PC. Never mind. I have a question. What's my favorite Pop-Tart? Big. I like where your head's at. I like where your head's at. My favorite Pop-Tart. Are you saying my favorite one of like out of everything, or like are you giving me a top 3? Because I do have both. I have a top 3 and I have like my favorite one. Top 3? Okay. So, Hot Fudge Sundae. I gotta do, cherry. So, Hot Fudge Sundae, cherry. I gotta do a classic one. I gotta say strawberry. Those are my top 3. Those are my top 3. I'm not doing any damage. I do need more damage items. And they all have to be toasted. Like, I can't eat them cold. I don't know what people's deal is with eating shit cold. Like, I cannot eat. Give me damage. Fuck. If we don't get damage soon, we're gonna die. Like, this is good and all, but we're gonna get fucked up. We're gonna get clapped. The top 3. Would you rather have legs? Would you rather have legs as long as your fingers, or fingers as long as your legs? I'm like 6 feet. What you're asking me is, do I want to be short or do I want to... I don't fucking know. Would I rather have legs as long as my fingers? I don't know, like my fingers are kind of long. Like my fingers kind of hitting, you know what I mean? Like they kind of long. Or fingers as long as my legs. I'm not gonna lie, fingers as long as my legs, I'd give someone a mean bitch slap.
What? Slap!
I'd slap the shit out of someone. Okay, let me ask you this. If I have fingers as long as my legs, do I keep how long my legs are currently? Like, am I still 6 feet? You said what's my top 3 cereals too? Okay, y'all. I gotta think about that one. Captain Crunch is definitely top tier though. Captain Crunch, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and Frosted Flakes. Arby's is gross, no offense. I never see the place. Exactly. I don't even know how Arby's is still in business. Who thinks of making a restaurant solely on roast beef? Such a fucking weird concept. That's what I'm trying to figure out. That place gives people the Hershey squats. Yo, that's crazy. Arby's got nice sister companies. Really? What do Arby's own? Okay, I'm about to start. Yeah, what the fuck does Arby's even own? Do you like K-pop? Absolutely. K-pop slaps. Whoa, wait, what? Really? The Arby's group owns Sonic? Are you serious? Jimmy John's, Baskin Robbins, Dunkin' Donuts too? What? No wonder. They probably losing money off Arby's. That's crazy. I didn't know they owned all that.
Stop playing with my
so they just fucked up once.
I'll drill you.
Although I don't know what Jimmy John's are. I'm sure it's big somewhere else, maybe. That's wild. I didn't know they owned all that. Yeah, they just fucked up once.
Put some respect on my name.
Because everything else they got is pretty big. Baskin Robbins? Like, what? It's one of the biggest ice cream names ever. Ooh, I'm burning. Jimmy John's sandwich are like Jersey Mike's or Subway. Okay, I've never heard of it. I don't know where it's big at. I don't think we have that here. But we got plenty of fucking Subways around every fucking corner. It seems like Subways and Dunkin' Donuts is literally always right next to each other. Like, it's so... You said it's a down south thing? Okay. Well, that would make sense, because I do not live down south. Woo! I almost died. Okay. Let's stay here for a minute. Just a minute. Hurry up, 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 hurry up. Okay, I'm leaving. Also, they have Mr. Donut and Rust Taco, but I don't know what those are. I don't fucking know what Rusty. Yeah, I wouldn't eat anywhere that's called fucking Rusty Taco anyway. I don't want a Rusty Taco. The fuck? Where the fuck they do that at? Fucking gross. Alright, so we're good so far. We have 4 red items. Yo, what the fuck? See, I thought I was the weird one for saying that, but it seems like everyone's in agreement that McDonald's has the best. When hot. It has to be hot. It has to be fresh. Because I can't eat some cold McDonald's fries. That shit hit different. Can you give me some good healing, please? That's good. That's decent. I can do that. That'll give me something. cold fries, period. Honestly, I was just saying, I don't know what everyone's thing is with cold shit. I can't eat cold stuff. Like cold pizza, cold fries. But people just be like, oh yeah, I'll eat it right out the fridge. I'm like, that's fucking gross. Fucking masochist. The fuck is wrong with you? I don't know how cold pizza is popular either. I'm not in that boat. That is not I. I don't like that shit. Gonna be driving? Okay. Drive safe. Alright. Yeah, I really don't know why people be eating that. I don't think I eat anything straight out the fridge aside fruit. Facts. Big facts. Shit that's supposed to be cold. I rarely eat things that need to be cold to be real. Like most of the time. Is that another fucking red item?
Oh my god!
What the fuck is going on? This game missed me. Yeah, shit, I missed you too. Like, damn. Oh, we don't actually have money. Okay. Ooh. Alright, Jay, welcome back. You said Wendy's fries? Ooh. You ain't gonna have fun with my chat. I'm pretty sure everyone has said McDonald's, other than one person saying Popeyes. Say, I gotta stop moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you. Thank you, Soul. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you so much, Soul. You don't even know. You don't even know, Soul. I appreciate you so much. For people that are confused as shit as to why I just stood there and took that, Soul redeemed, stop moving for 10 seconds. So, that's the run! Oh, man. That's silly.
Oh, fuck, I gotta run away.
Is it silly though?
Oh! Did you see how he sniped me? Holy